Y'all, I just bought me 2 nice big onions, some big Vidalia onions, sweet onions. And I'm about to make me some beard battered onion rings. Alright, let me get started. Alright, y'all see I got my onion peeled and everything. And so I'm gonna put it like that. And I'm gonna use my meat cleaver. I would have used my onion slicer, but it wasn't gonna cut it thick the way I wanted. So I'm gonna judge. I'm gonna try to judge. I want to cut my finger. Let me go like this first. Oh shoot. Let me go like this. Let me cut this first slice down. Okay, that's the first slice. Now I'm gonna cut the rest of them. Okay. Let's see how. Let me cut it. I don't want it too thin. So let me go like this, then take my thumb and move it back like this. I said I don't want to cut myself. Let's see, would that be a nice size onion ring? Yeah, let me go about right here. I'm gonna go down on it. Try to make a straight cut. Come on. Come on. They might be uneven, y'all, but the blind man doing the best he can. Okay, so see, I don't think that's too thick, but we're gonna make some thick onion rings out of them. All right, let me pull them apart. For baby, they're gonna be all kind of sizes. And right here, I got me some cold water with a little salt in it. I'm gonna put them in there. Okay, let me separate and see can I get the best rings out. One onion. So these are the ones I was able to salvage. Some of them I messed up, but these are the ones I was able to keep round, as y'all see. So you put them in some cold water. I had some ice in there with a little salt. And what that salt gonna do is gonna draw some of the moistness out of the onion. All right, let me get together the flour and the beer batter. Yeah, beer. Even though I hate beer, but I like the way it tastes when it fries. All right, let that sit for about 15 minutes. All right, y'all. So these are my onion rings, right? They in cold water. You want to keep everything cold because we're gonna make them crispy. So that's that. And I have some regular flour right there. And what I'm about to do is, make sure I'm in there. What I'm about to do is, I'm about to take the cold onion rings one by one. And I'm gonna dredge them in the flour. So we're gonna make it like a glue on them, like a paste. Like that. Make sure they get coated. Then I'm gonna take them, put them out like that. Take them like that. Take them and put them on your, so I gotta, right there. Let me get another one. And you're gonna let this, get another one, put in the flour. Like that, and you're gonna let them sit on this tray for about 10 minutes. Then you're gonna make your batter, your beer batter. So let me finish doing these and I'll be right back. They're gonna be good, y'all. All right, y'all, see I got them floured up. And you let this sit on here about 10 minutes. You know, it's like when you take when you take water and flour, it makes like a glue. So this is gonna be like a coating. This is to make sure that they're going to stay crisp. And now we're going to do the beer batter. So let me show y'all what to put in y'all beer batter. All right, I'm doing mine with Corona beer because that's the only thing I had in the fridge. Thought I had some Budweiser or some Michelob, but I don't. All right, y'all see them? There we go. Let's get started on the batter. And we can turn the grease on, baby. All right, let's start our batter. In here, I have 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Now I'm finna add a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. That's what's gonna make it crunchy, y'all. That cornstarch. I got 1 teaspoon of baking powder. That's gonna help make it crunchy too. All right. And we got here 1 teaspoon of kosher, yeah, teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. I have a half a teaspoon of white pepper and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Put all that in there. Oh, y'all can see me putting that in there. I needed to make it Cajun. Gotta have some Cajun stuff in there, so I have a teaspoon and a half of Slap Your Mama. Got that in there. And I have 1 teaspoon of paprika. Put that in there. Let's see, I'll make sure I got all my seasonings. Yeah, so I'm gonna take that, stir that all together. Make sure that's fully incorporated. And now, to that, make sure I'm in the bowl. Yeah. Now, to that, I want to add 1 cup. Let me get my cup and show y'all my Corona. Y'all see my Corona? That's Corona. Y'all see it? That's my Corona. Let's add 1 cup of, let me get a cup right here. Let's add 1 cup of beer. 1 cup of any type of beer you want. This is just what I had in the refrigerator. Yeah, add that. All right. 1 cup of Corona. Now, I want to stir this together to make like a pancake batter. All right. Stir this together. I'll be right back. I think I might need a little more beer. Let's see here. Yeah, let me put a little more beer in there. A little more beer because I want to thin this out. All right. Let me mix this together. Hope y'all can see me mixing it. Let me mix this together. Be right back. Y'all look, I done finished whipping it up. I had to use 1.5 cups of beer. And that's how it's supposed to be. See, not too thick like a pancake. Alright, let's go to the oven. To the stove. This is hot and ready. Right here, there go my beer batter. Y'all can see it. And right here, y'all remember those little babies ready? So I'm about to take one. Take one with my hand. Take one like this, and I'm going to put it in the mix. Now, I'm going to use this wooden skewer here, whatever this thing called. Skewer. You know what you do shish kebabs with. And so I put in the onion ring like that. Okay. Then pick it up like this. Let someone do it like this and catch it like that. I'm gonna let some of this batter drain like that. Yeah, work with me, y'all. I know I don't mess with hot grease that much, but I wanted me some onion rings. So drip like that. Okay. And then I'm gonna take it. Let's go my hot grease. And I'm gonna lay it down. Like that. Now see there? Now let me do another one. Let me do one more. Put it in there like that. My phone probably shaking everywhere. Go like that. See, it's best to work with these little wood things. Take it and turn it over. Like that. Make sure it's coated. Let me grab it like that. Alright. Come on, let me get it on the... There we go. Let it drain. Like that. Y'all can see, let it drain. And let me put it over here in the hot grease. Like that. Alright. Let me do the rest of them, y'all. Be right back. Alright, I was able to get 5 in there, y'all. So, let me let them fry. Gonna flip them about in 2 minutes. Flip them. Then I'm gonna take them out. Alright. Let me deal with this hot grease. Alright, y'all. Just flip them. And after you flip them, you let them do about another minute. And you take them out. Alright. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna flip this over like that. Let me get another one. This is the last batch. I was searching the I couldn't show y'all me flipping them all. So it's hard me trying to find the hole. There we go. Okay, let me flip it. All right, y'all. Let me do this real quick. Shit, before I burn my damn self. Okay. Y'all, this is my last batch. Let me turn the oven on. No, let me take them out of here. Come on, baby. Like taking donuts off the pot. Whee! There go one, y'all. I can show you the rest of them too. Look. Look at that. Look how pretty that is, y'all. Alright. Let me take my little thing, fish it around. I'll grab another one. Alright. Got that one. Put it over here. Alright. Let me get the other two out, y'all. My onion rings, y'all. That go my beer batter, Cajun, Corona, beer, onion rings. Look at that. Oh, it's time for a taste test, y'all. There they go. I think they're going to taste good. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Y'all know I have to give y'all a taste test because they too good not to. Look. Y'all know I got one of these packages from one of the restaurants. Y'all know they give you about 50 in the bag, and I bring every one of them home and put it in my little thing on the counter with ketchup, soy sauce, honey mustard, whatever they give out the window. I keep it. So let's taste these, baby. Let's taste it. Right, let me tell y'all something. Y'all are going to love. Put some more ketchup on it. Right? Y'all gonna love these. Oh. They're excellent. What can I say? They're soft and crunchy. I fried them just right. This is good. I'm good at this. See, I don't fry much in my house. Man, I gotta use the whole pack of ketchup on this, y'all. Hold on, I need the whole pack. Do it with Corona, y'all. All right. Y'all see me make it. Now go make you some. Bye. I'm about to enjoy myself. Adios. Au revoir.